Hi, welcome back. It's time to do a Christmas build. And do you remember this teeny tiny snow globe with a little gingerbread house inside it? It came with the last CMF Lego series. Well, I found a big version of it, which isn't actually Lego. This is a, like we call them flego, like fake Lego. So it's Lego, but it's not Lego. It's not made by Lego, but it's a building blocks design. Looks amazing. I found this in Kmart for $20. I mean, I can't speak for this because I've never built whatever brand this is. In fact, I don't even know what brand it is. It was made for Kmart. But we'll see whether the bricks go together nicely and actually make this cool snow globe though. With lights, sounds, and snow, how could we go wrong? I mean, even the packaging's gorgeous. Right, well, let's unbox this and find out whether it all goes together. And actually the pieces that I can kind of see in the gingerbread house, I reckon I could actually remake this out of genuine Lego because there don't seem to be any like weird shapes or, newly made shapes. So this is our instruction book. It requires the instruction book doesn't require 3x AA batteries. This requires 3x AA batteries. I'm always dubious about whether the instructions are going to be easy to follow on these Flego style sets, but this one looks okay. I mean, the proof is in the pudding as to whether I can do it. This is where we put the little styrofoam beads in the top. Oh, that's going to be messy. Bring it. Okay, all right. So yeah, this should go okay. Let's not jinx it. I think I can understand what the instructions are. So inside our plastic bag, we have got a big snow globe dome. Slow globe dome. What's that on the... Oh, yeah, okay. So I will not put that bag over my head. That is fine. I'm quite sensible like that. We've got on, off switch down the bottom. Everything we've got is in here. Oh, underneath are some teeny tiny fairy lights. I mean, it did say with lights, sound, and snow. But hold on, I should be getting excited. With lights! I love fairy lights. I just love them so much. So I'm going to kind of very gently get these out because if I pull them too hard, they might detach from the bottom and then I'm just stuffed before I even start. So let's I'm probably not supposed to unwind these yet. I'm not even looking at the instructions. I'm just touching stuff. So that's probably not the best way to start. Let's have a look what we have in here. So we've got tiny styrofoam balls, which are a menace, but they'll be so cute in here. As long as we keep them contained in our snow globe, we're good. This is the minifigure, or this version of a minifigure. We've got a tube and a funnel that's to get all those little beans in here where they're supposed to be, and some stickers. All right. Alrighty. Oh, and a screwdriver and some teeny screws. And these are all our building blocks. We'll get this open and have a look at how it's all configured because this is where I might all come unstuck if I don't have numbered bags or if the pieces don't go together properly. Oh no, the bags are numbered. Nice. So this is bag number 1. And even look, the colours and the shapes in here, I'm pretty sure. Oh, look at these printed pieces though. They're so cute. I'm pretty sure I could replicate this in proper Lego if it doesn't all pull together. Right, so let's find out. So first up, we have got a teeny tiny screwdriver. So let's put some batteries in, and this does not work because this teeny tiny screwdriver is way too small. So I'll just get my bigger screwdriver. So we failed to begin, failed with the screwdriver provided. It was nice of them to provide a screwdriver though. Nobody ever provides batteries, but you can understand that because batteries, can decay in the packaging. So 3 AA batteries in here. Let's find out. So we've got 3 switch positions. We've got off, lights, and music. So if we put on the lights... Oh, the little fairy lights! Oh my goodness, and there's air pumping through here too. Oh, I'm already sold. So the air's coming through here, so that's going to blow the snow globes up. Let's see what the music sounds like. Oh, that is horrendous. I mean, I wouldn't have expected anything more. It's clunky. It's awful. We're going to turn it off. Right. I think we might just stick with the lights and the snow and, yeah, give the music a miss. All right. So we've got stickers. The sticker's the first thing we put on here. It's a see-through sticker. It's supposed to go on the front. Which way is this oriented? I think this is the front. Gonna guess. It's kind of not clear in the instructions, but that's fine. It's obviously you can't get this wrong. I've already got this a little bit wrong because that's not terribly straight, but you know what? I don't mind. I do mind these little bubbles though. Let's have some music while I make these go away. See, isn't that so soothing and serene? My goodness, I love it. It makes the time fly. All right, is that pretty bubble free? Let's turn that off. Right, okay, nice. All right, starting the build, and this is pretty easy build. The difficulty is going to be whether the bricks go together easily and securely, because we're going to be pumping air through the middle of this, so if the bricks aren't down firmly, they might end up, probably won't end up flying around in the air, but they will end up in all the snow down the bottom. And these colours, yeah, look like normal Lego colours so far. I don't know about the blue flowers. Yeah, we do have blue flowers. Maybe not just quite in that shade that we have around the back. So far it's looking really cute. We're just building up our gingerbread brick houses with the nice brick textured bricks. So these windows are super loose. They're going to flap in the breeze, the latticey bits. Whee! Okay, all right. And for the second bag, because we've got the base down now, the second bag starts off with the door. And the door has got a nice little, I love the little gumdrop, the little yellow gumdrop on here. If this is an original design by the company that made it, I really love it. It's working together really nicely. Green layer along the top here, yellow over the door. And then it is time to put together, I don't know what this is. This is the pointy bits. The big, they probably have a name. I don't know what they are on real houses. It's the pointy bit that goes up to the top. So that's one side, and then we need the pointy bit that goes up to the top on the other side. And this is, I think, pretty close to a mirror image to what we just did, except it doesn't have that longer white brick on the top. There we go. It's looking good. We're up to bag number 3. So bag number 3 holds one side of the pitched roof. So this is covered in white icing. I mean, normally you make this out of gingerbread and then you cover it with royal icing and then you stick your gumdrops on. So we've got some nice little dots here in, normal Lego colors, which is cool. These little outward facing studs go on either side. We got the fringy drippy bits going down the bottom, and this printed piece is quite nice. It's a little bit grubby, but it's a lovely print. These hinges mean we're going to have to try and stick that down to the wall, which is one of the parts I really hate of trying to put hinged, peaked roofing onto Lego. Let's see if this is going. Yeah, okay, because often I end up exploding my builds when I try and push down on the peak roof. All right, so bag number 4 has got exactly the same, well, kind of the same. It's not a mirror image, but it's the same idea. It's the other side, the other peak roof. Pitched roof? Peaked roof. Pitched peaky roof. It's covered in icing. It's delicious. I don't care what we call it. It's Lego. It's flego. Don't eat it. It's plastic. Don't eat it. I don't even know why I'm talking about icing. So we got our gumdrops on, and this one goes then, oh no, I can't stick my hand through here. Yeah, collapsed it already. How did those windows just come out? How do the windows just fly out? Okay, we'll get this on though. Let's hope. Oh, come on. I can just kind of squeeze it in from the top. That's the hardest part. Yeah, I don't love putting those on, but they're on now. We're good. So bag number 5. This is where we start. We put this tube in, and this tube goes all the way down to the bottom so that the air comes out the top. I've already broken the top. Little gumdroppy bits on the top of white royal icing. This is a lovely design. Have I mentioned that? It's such a cute design. I don't know whether that's supposed to be on the back, that printed piece, but I don't know whether it really matters because I think there's another one in the bag. Okay, for decorations around the front of the gingerbread house, there's a couple of little presents in alternating coloured stripes. This is adorable. This is really adorable. The bricks aren't too bad. Oh, I sound like such a Lego snob. But, Lego is expensive for a reason because the bricks are so finely machined. And they fit in beautifully and structurally soundly. That's not going in properly. Okay. Oh, that's so cute. These are such cute little printed tiles. So we got delicious across here. Above the door frame, there's a cute little wreath. And then on either side is just a mint flowers, like candy cane style mint flowers going up. I just like the fact that they're not even symmetrical. That's a bit of detail. I like that. Oh, it's snowman time. So cute little snowman. It's really adorable. So he can go up here. He goes over on this side. And then on the other side, there's supposed to be a lamp post up here. But we're supposed to fit Santa on here. We're going to be able to fit Santa on here. So the lamp post is nice too. Oh, I forgot the little tube on the bottom. So lamppost is cute. It's got some little lights on it too. And then this last bag has just got the Santa figure in it. And he's really very, very charming. I mean, he's not a typical minifigure star because we need to shove his legs together and stick his arms in and his hands in. Goes together very nicely. But I love his face print. He's so cute. And his hair is very, very smart. Very nice. Okay, Santa is supposed to be over one. There we go. That's where he's supposed to be. Doesn't quite fit there too snugly, but he's on. He's on. Let's get our fairy lights happening. We've done the build. Let's set it up for lights and sound and music. No, lights and sound and snow. Okay, so I am trying to unravel these lights so that they're kind of a straight line. So they're kind of straight before I curve them around, because once this is all in place and the globe is over the top and all of those little white beans are in, I don't want to be opening this up again. Those little styrofoam balls, they are a nightmare. So I do not want to be messing about with this once it is all set up. So let's check that. Let's turn that on and see. Oh, it's hard to see. I mean, you can see the lights really nicely down around the gingerbread. Turning my lights down, studio lights. That's really cute. My goodness, it's so cute. All right. So next bit, this bag has got, this is where we seal it all together. So on the front, we have this sticker that says open, and it goes on top of these little Technic pin pieces. So, and there's a screw. One of these, okay. We didn't fail with a screw before. We're failing with a screw now. I'm not even going to try because that screwdriver is designed to use for those teeny tiny screws. I did fail on this sticker too because it's from edge to edge. Oh, that'll do. So this is supposed to be, you're supposed to be able to just pull that off and those, I knew those pins weren't going to come out. Anywho, I don't want to open this again. Let's get this sticker on and just cut the edges off so that it wasn't going to be quite so hard to put on. So we're supposed to be able to open those bits later if we need to. Moving up to the top, there is a hole up here. Going to use our funnel to put the snow in. Oh, the tiny plastic styrofoamy balls of horror. But they look so cute. Oh my goodness. So that's one bag. And you can't see the other ones just floating around on my table. But of course, some of them got out. How do they even get out? Oh, they have a mind of their own. Okay, all right, let's give this a shake. Get off the last few ones that have stacked to the edge. I think we have them all. I don't want any of them out of here. Okay, all right, last few in, and then I'm giving up. And in this bag, there's actually a plastic bit to go over the top of that hole, and then, if you can see, you then put this over the top. It's got 2 screw holes in it, so you're supposed to screw that down. So that does not, I mean, these are not meant to accidentally come out. These screws do not go in very happily. Because I'm an adult, and I know that I'm going to be careful with this, unless I drop it and then it all explodes everywhere, and then it'll be a nightmare. But I'm just going to put 1 screw in because I am lazy. So now let's put the foliage on here, and then we've got little red pieces to make a bow on the top, and these also help seal all of this stuff down. This is supposed to seat down over the... Oh, this is the first time the design hasn't worked for me, the actual instructions. I don't know if I've done something wrong or if the design's just flawed. I'm going to take these off so that we still have that looking cute. It looks slightly less cute. Oh, I know what I've done. Okay, so you need to angle these little green foliage bits in a certain way, so that you've got, it does work. You just have to angle the little green foliage bits at proper right angles, which I didn't have. Okay, we've got it done. It's sealed. Let's go. Let's turn it on. Oh my goodness, it's magical. It smells a little bit like burning plastic, but it's magical. Does that burning plastic smell bad? No, it's the wonderment of Christmas. I love those little styrofoam balls though. Don't they look fantastic? This is so cute. This is adorable. Look at that. Oh my goodness. And you can't really see the lights. Like where you can see the lights, they're really bright, but it's just because my studio lights here are so bright too. Oh my goodness. Do we put the music on? Oh. No, we don't. The music said no. The music's already powered down. I don't think I should whap this too hard. I've definitely got it in the right position. Let's try again. Oh, There we go. The dulcet tones of awful mechanical music. Christmas music, no less. There is nothing that a good whap couldn't fix. So, now I want to play around with where the snow goes. Hold on, where'd my... Oh, there we go. The snow's, it's so nice. This is like hitting the top of the globe and everything. This is so great. And I probably will remake this at some stage with real Lego. Let's turn that off. Yeah, that is just awful. But I'm going to leave it as it is for now because I am very wary of opening it when it is full of all these little styrofoam beads. How good does it look under dimmer lights at night? This is going to make a really nice centerpiece for the Christmas table. All right, now is a good time, unless you want to stick around and listen to the music, because, I mean, the music is just indescribable. Well, actually, that's not true. I could describe it, I just probably shouldn't. Subscribe, click the notification bell, do all the things, and check back in, because more videos are coming up really soon. We'll see you then. Bye.